In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of how a teen boy overcame the loss of his father, who was killed by his sibling. He's about to begin a new journey at Munro College in St. Elizabeth.
July 24, 2021 will forever be etched in the mind of John Foster. It's the day he lost his father, who was murdered, as well as his brother, who was subsequently convicted for the killing. The deceased, Garnet Foster, was a pastor who was hailed a community hero. Young John said despite his reality,
I just kept on saying that I would make my mother proud. And despite what happened, I would make her proud. I studied, put away my phone for a period of time, listen to my teacher, do projects.
Coupled with his dad's untimely death, the then 9-year-old had to get accustomed to a new home and a new school as his family moved away. It was particularly difficult as he was also taunted by other students who knew his story. But with the help from his teachers and a guidance counselor, John started making progress and was later named head boy.
When the guidance counselor told me I was going to be the head boy, I was very shocked because I didn't see myself as being someone like that. It just wasn't something I had done before, and I was surprised, but happy and proud.
He was also named valedictorian and was elected junior councillor in the Westmoreland Municipal Corporation. John says he wants to be
a lawyer. I just see myself in that path. And I want to be able to make enough to provide for my family.
His mother, Camille Ebanks Foster, says her son was the one who broke the news of his father's death to her.
I still cry. Just not, don't allow them to see me like that. But it has been 3 rough years. But as a mom, you have to put your best foot forward and do what you have to do.
She says her son's passing for Munro College is a big win for the family. Although she knew he was a smart child, with all that he has been through, she didn't expect him to do well in his exams.
I saw a missed call from his teacher and a call back. And she said, I saw your missed call, and she said, John Foster, Munro. I hung up the phone immediately, Kim. I hung up the phone immediately, and I just walked out of the room. I stood there and I called him and I said, John, Munro. And I lift him up, kiss him up. I was like really, really excited.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kian Morgan.